Use the table of integrals on reference pages 6 through 10 to evaluate the integral. Okay, now keep in mind that there are several ways to approach many of these exercises when you're using a table of integrals, and different methods can lead to different forms of the answer. So for this example, we have the integral of the tangent cubed of pi times x dx. So in this problem, what we're going to first do is we're going to let u represent pi times x. And then du is going to equal pi dx. And therefore, we're going to divide both sides by pi, so 1 over pi du is going to equal dx. So we have that substitution, and then we have this substitution. So now let's take a look at step number 2. So we have the tangent cubed pi x dx. And now let's apply our substitution. So that means now we have tangent cubed u times 1 over pi du. So we can factor out the 1 over pi and then integrate the tangent cubed u du. Okay, so now we need to figure out, can we find this on our table of integrals? So is there a table of integrals that represents this one right here? So we're looking for tangent cubed u du. So if we come in here for our table of integrals, let's go ahead and scroll down. Let's keep going. Take a look down here, and we end up seeing that tangent cubed u du is for this one right here. So that is number 69 on our table of integrals. So let's go ahead and copy that. Do that again. So we know that this is what tangent of cubed u is. So that's equal to 1/2 times the tangent squared u plus the natural log of the absolute value of cosine u plus c. So we're going to do the following. So we have 1 over pi, and then we're going to multiply that by this and replace, and so that becomes what? 1/2 tangent squared u plus the natural log of the absolute value of the cosine of u, and then that's plus c. And then what did we say that u is equal into our problem? We know that u is pi x, so now we can finish the rest of this. So we have 1 over pi times 1/2 times the tangent squared of pi x plus the natural log of the absolute value of the cosine of pi x, and that's plus c. And now we can just multiply and distribute the 1 over pi. So we would get 1 over 2 pi times the tangent squared pi x plus 1 over pi times the natural log of the absolute value of the cosine pi x plus c. And therefore there is our result.